Hi guys, we're in the thump baits factory. This is where some of the stuff's produced. Over here's where the rest is. I'm working on this. Where is it? I screwed up placing in the lip. Yeah, placing in that thing. I made it too big. Oh yeah. Then these. And then bucktail or feathered or no fly. But yeah. Oh yeah. And then I forgot. Down here we got a couple spinner baits, polyurethane and stuff. Jig. Bluegill jig, and we'll be in later. Okay guys. I just finished one of the baits because I screwed up the bill on the other. It's now a popper. And the hook's sideways, so it always hooks him in the mouth. I probably should have put another one off facing the other side, but oh well. Nobody cares. I'll remember to do that with this one. Remember to get the hook in right. But let's go. Okay guys, we're back. I've tested these two baits. The popper, little blue and orange thing, sits just like this. Little feather, or fox hair trailer, I'll get there in a moment. This thing, I'll paint it at my house. It doesn't want to dive, but if you jerk it, it's got like a minnow-like action. It's really cool. He's made those. Double Colorado willow. That's supposed to be a bass pattern. That's kind of like a standard. I've been working on that. Call it the McDonald, because why not? And yeah, that's it guys. We'll see y'all eventually. Oh, and then over here. He's working on that still. That's a wooden spinnerbait and a lipless. Does the lipless do anything? The lipless doesn't do anything. Anyway, we'll be back eventually, I think. Bye.